Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to unbox this beautiful kit that I purchased from Michaels, although it was an online order. It is a holiday edition. The name of the kit is Streetcar. Um, I actually have been looking at it for a very long time. I really liked it, although it was kind of pricey, $32, but thankfully uh, this kit went on sale, 20% off, and I bought it a little bit less than the original price with a 20% off. 20. I will leave a link in the description box below in case if you like it. I just checked. The sale is still going on. Now let's open the box and see how the kit looks inside. Here we go, a beautiful canvas. It is a full round drill diamond painting kit in the size of 40 by 50 centimeters. This kit comes with 33 colors. 32 of them are regular resin drills and one is AB. The printing is amazing. I'm talking about the symbol printing is great. The canvas is woven polyester with a poured glue on it. I really love the visualization of the imprint, and I'm pretty sure that the final result will be, if not the same as it is shown on the box, because what I like about Diamond Dots is that they always put a completed diamond painting on the preview. So, and this way I know how exactly the completed result will look, but what I noticed that their finished diamond paintings look way better than the ones on the original box. So that's how it looks. Really nice. An old streetcar, a Christmas tree, a part of a Christmas tree, a snow day. People are in a hurry to their homes to prepare for Christmas. By the way, this is a holiday edition. And it is not my first time purchasing a holiday edition diamond painting kit from Leisure Arts, powered by Diamond Dots. And as far as I understand, that they have these holiday editions for every year for a holiday, for a certain holiday like Christmas. And as far as I understand, they do it only once a week, once a year. So next year, I doubt you will find this very design. It will be already a different one. So I really love it. But maybe I'm wrong. My understanding is that they rotate their holiday editions, their holiday designs in the holiday edition every year. So I'm really very happy that I purchased this one. Now, let's look at the diamonds. Here they are. By the way, I made a really very bad mistake yesterday when I was recording the video unboxing of the gingerbread house. I'm talking about this kit. Apparently, I mentioned that this kit includes 39 colors, but not a single color is AB. Luckily, I was wrong. Apparently, I'm so blind. This kit has 2 AB colors. Here they are. Just turn on the flashlight. Blue and yellow. So that's great. Out of 39 colors, at least 2 are AB, and I will be able to replace other colors with, not all of them, of course, but certain colors with some AB, with some crystals, and etc. But I really love this kit. This is also a holiday edition from Leisure Arts. I purchased 2 kits, so if you're interested in this one, please watch my previous video. It's a very small kit, super small. If the one that you saw was 40 by 50 centimeters, this one is very, very tiny, 11 by 14 inches. So that one is 16 by 20. And this kit contains more colors than the streetcar. So let's go back to streetcar drills. So the colors are pretty nice. A lot of the shades of gray, although I'm not a fan of gray colors, but it fits the design perfectly. Here it is. Let's look at them a little bit closer. So some shades of green, gray, a lot of gray color, red, like dark brown, regular brown. So the colors are not very bright. Also like dirty blue or blue grayish, pink. Here they are. So as you can see, a lot of gray and blue shades. Yeah, yellow. So what I'm gonna do, most likely, I won't be touching other colors except of the yellow ones. I will replace yellow plastic drills with the crystallines. And the crystallines go on the streetcar lights and the light inside of this streetcar. That's where I'm going to use this crystals again to show the effect of illumination from the lights and from the inside of the card. And that's it. I don't think I will be using them elsewhere except maybe of the Christmas tree ornaments. I can also replace some of the drills with crystals, although if you look at the ornaments, there are no like block of colors. There is a lot of confetti. There are a lot of shades of red or blue or yellow. So not sure if I can implement what I think of doing, but we will see. But I would definitely add crystal accents on the light of the streetcar. And as I mentioned, this kit comes with the AB. Here they are. White AB color. I guess it is the snow that is falling on the streetcar and on the city. So this is the one AB that this diamond painting kit has. So I hope you liked this design. I'm not sure when exactly I'm going to start working on it. Most likely either in late summer or in the beginning of fall, if I don't buy anything else that I would want to work on. Because I really would love to start working on this very design after I complete my beautiful vintage roses from Diamond Dots that I'm working on right now. I love how they're turning out. I don't like the flowers. I don't like diamond painting flowers, but I love these ones. Amazing kit. And after that, I have a mess here. I will work on this one, but this one will take me 1 day or so. And then after the gingerbread house on this beautiful Fields of Dreams from Diamond Dots. And then maybe I will work on the streetcar if, again, I do not purchase anything else. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will leave the link to this kit at Michael's store in the description box below. See you.